Hello and welcome again to another drink, folks. This is a drink called How Make Iced Pepsi Cola Zero Sugar Cherries and Cream Coffee. First thing you gotta do is put the ice cubes into this mug and you pour in the Pepsi Cola Zero Sugar Cherries and Cream, and last but not least, you add in a little bit of coffee, and what you know, folks, well, there you go, folks. There is your Pepsi Cola Zero Sugar Cherries and Cream Coffee, folks, and it's iced. There's your iced Pepsi Cola Zero Sugar Cherries and Cream Coffee. Thank you for watching, folks. It's served ready to enjoy and drink. Thank you.